right, here we go. Question number 12 from our Precalculus, homework number 13. In MyLab Math, it says find the sum of the first 110 terms of the sequence. 15, 17, 19, 21. Oh, look at that. That's pretty obvious that that's a common difference of 2. Adding 2, adding 2, adding 2. So we know right off the bat, just real quick, this is arithmetic. And so if I keep adding 2 until I have 110 numbers written out and then add all of them up, that'll be my answer. But that's going to take way too long. Let's see if we can find a faster way to get that sum. So, to the scratch work. All right, so let's make a note of what we've already mentioned. 15 to 17, that's plus 2. 17 to 19 plus 2. Plus 2. So we know that this has a common difference of 2, which makes it arithmetic. And I also know the first term of this sequence is 15. I'm just making some notes of things that I know. Now, they did want me to find the sum, and I do know it's arithmetic, so that means all of these formulas apply, including the sum formula. Let's copy it down. All right, so with our sum formula copied down, we're finding the sum of the first 110 terms of the sequence, and that number is n. n is 110. A sub 1 I know is 15, and then if this n is 110, so is this n here, which means I'm going to need the 110th term. And they don't give me that. They just give me the first 4. In order to use the sum formula, I need the 110th term. Well, lucky for me, I have a way to find that, which means we're going to have to scroll up and use the formula for the general term of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so here I have my formula copied down. Let's plug and play. N is 110. The first term is 15. Again, n is 110. And the common difference we found to be 2. And now we just need to work this out and get the last value we need to find the sum. Using my handy-dandy calculator, 15 plus 110 minus 1 times 2. 233 will be the 110th term of the sequence. 233. And then guess what? Back to the calculator to calculate this value. All right, here we go. 110. I'm using my fraction button. 110 over 2 times 15 plus 233 works out to be 13,640. Now, of course, you know you can do this manually. You can do this calculation by hand, but if you have the ability to use a scientific or graphing calculator, you might as well go ahead and use it. That might avoid a human error. And so now that we have our sum, let's go back to MyLab Math and see how we did. And the sum of the 110 terms, 13,640, is correct. And that's going to do it for this problem. If you have any questions or comments about anything covered in this video, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.